What's up, everybody? A couple weeks ago, I made a video about my thoughts on the current state of the market, and I had this to say. Roll it. Do I think this run will continue? Yes, I do think the market has strength right now. Do I think we see a pullback sometime in the next few months? It is very likely that it happens. It doesn't have to, but I do see seasonality in the market. So let's talk about seasonality for a second. So here we have a back test of SPY, the total market. So what this chart is actually looking at is the average performance of the SPY based on what month of the year it is. It's got a backtest date of January 1 to December 31, and this is an average of what that looks like over the last 10 years. So what I'm trying to point out is that we are about right here, somewhere in this chop range in the August month. And usually going into September, early October, we take a little haircut, a nice 5 to 7% correction on the SPY. So the good news from this is that we will likely get some good buying opportunities over the next month or two. There are several companies that I'm watching and hopefully looking for a great entry point coming up in the next couple of months. So I have plans to raise some cash to buy these companies over the next couple of months when the market hopefully takes a nice little haircut. Also, could be a very pivotal factor is the Fed rate decision that's coming September 17th. It would be very interesting to see what the Fed decides to do, given that most recent revision of the jobs data was a huge revision downwards and a sign that the economy could be slowing, at least from a job creation standpoint. Polymarket has the betting odds sitting at 75% chance that the Fed will cut the rate by 25 basis points. Some even think that 50 basis points is needed because the Fed is moving too slow. What are your thoughts? Comment down below what you think the Fed should do with the interest rate policy in this upcoming September meeting. And will this be a catalyst for stocks, or is this already priced in? Let me know your thoughts.